Hello and welcome to another episode of Talk Right Today. And today we're going to talk about a subject which is basically key to anyone who works in organizations, wants to have a super career ahead in their lives. And it is something about which possibly depends on your conditioning ever since you have the way your education, the way you have been exposed to various factors in life. And that's something which is very important, and it's all about uh, well, we call it handling or managing nervousness or stage fright. Stage fright need not be being actually on a platform and then saying something, but stage fright in general. So again, with me, my friend Mayur here, and I'm Santosh. We're going to talk to you on stage fright on managing nervousness. Over to you, Mayur.
Thank you. Viewers, namaskar, good day to you. And Santosh, good to be back. Viewers, remember that these sessions that we do through Talk Right Today is something which motivates us because these are topics which we have experienced ourselves. And this particular topic, I would say, is a very, very crucial topic, especially with regards to the profession that I'm in, which is training and development. And Santosh, for me, this topic is very close to my heart, though I want to keep it a little far away, because training is one area which requires you to stand in front of people and not just do a presentation, but you need to
Yeah.
convince them about the topic. Let me start this viewer's topic of nervousness with an example. Okay, and I'm sure I hope you'll be able to relate with it. So here, and this is not to do with my office or my training, it's to do with this. It's a conch or a shank. Okay, now I remember I got a chance to play this when I was in a temple at my native place, Shirali. Somebody just put this in my hand and said, you have to play this. And the person was a young chap, so he didn't even know whether I can play or not. He just, because he was in a hurry, and he just said, you know, you have to play this. And I didn't even know I mean, I knew it's a shank, but what do I do? I mean, I've seen people blow the conch.
Yeah.
So when I did it, that kind of stuff. Fortunately, there was an uncle who was standing right beside me, and I was much younger. He just said, give it here. And then he played it. I was that first experience was so baffling for me. I decided that I will never play this because I made a fool of myself, not realizing it wasn't my fault. I had not known how to play. Later on, our guru, Swami Sadyavrat Shankarashram, and I mentioned the name because I remember many years later, again, the similar situation happened where somebody said, somebody, maybe Mayur, can you play the shank? And I was not sure because that memory came in my mind. What if and my guru was there? But then I don't know, somehow I said, okay, let me try. And then and then my guru was walking behind because I had to lead along with some other young, these students of spirituality. We walking towards the temple. And then I heard my guru say, purge your lips, take a deep breath, purge your lips. Don't be scared. Don't get nervous. Just purge your lips and then go ahead. The moment you're nervous, it'll not come. And then it's happened. There are many, for me, viewers and Santosh, you may be wondering, ye kahan se kya pakad ke leke aaya shank? But to understand nervousness, remember it's a human emotion which can get awakened anywhere. For me, the lesson was if I failed once, it doesn't mean I'll keep failing. Maybe I needed to learn how to play it. Maybe that the fact that scenario I was in, I should have said, hey, listen, wait, I can't take this. I don't know how to play, but it didn't happen. I just took it when I was the kid. And that one experience, made me feel nervousness for the next experiences. Still
Yeah.
somebody told me how to. So
Yeah.
the request to all the viewers is, nervousness क्यों होता है? उस पे हम ध्यान देना है हमें कि if we know how to do something, it can help us to deal with nervousness. Remember, absence of knowledge and not knowing how to do something is one of the important reasons for us to feel the nerves, the nervousness. You give
Yeah.
a person a tennis racket and ask him to go and play, he'll say, what? So same thing, when we have to make a presentation to an audience in a corporate, let me change the scenario. If you are not sure about it, don't suddenly say, okay, sir, I'll do it. Okay, even if you've done that, if you have some time between the time you committed to doing a presentation till you actually do it, please learn the art of presentation. Don't
Yeah.
go there and stand and then say, oh God, yaar, abhi kya karu? Nervous ho raha hu. And then what may happen is, for future opportunities, either you may not take the lead to grab them, or you may not get them, because the
Yeah.
perception is, इसको तो presentation नहीं आता, वो तो बहुत tension में आ जाता है यार.
Correct.
So if you know how to do something, the why is there. Why you want to go and present? Because you want to really present something and convince the audience. The how is important. You want to play cricket? Learn the techniques of cricket. You want to be a good professional? Learn the art of being a professional. Like, if you want to sell a product to a seller, learn how to pitch. What is prospecting? What is a suspect? How to negotiate? So when you hone your skills, that is one of the ways, in fact, a very important way, Santosh and viewers, to help you to deal with nervousness. वो emotion रहेगा. It's like, somebody getting a cough. वो आता है, cough, cold. You can't say permanent मेरे को cure चाहिए. Nervousness will be there waiting. कभी आऊं. But you can always be strong enough to shun it away by strengthening your mental, attributes and your competency as well.
Correct. There are ways and means how you can actually manage this and rather actually build on this issue and try and avoid this nervousness. And I think one important key point and element is grab opportunities, whatever be that. If you get an opportunity, if you're pretty confident about it, say I'm in, right? That's very important. Another thing I think I will suggest is, especially in offices, before, if you feel that you have not been used to being on stage or not presenting in your school and college days, and it's the first time in your life.
Yeah.
I think it's okay to participate in small group discussions to begin with, smaller meetings, and get that confidence. Compare yourself with your previous one where you participate, and you will feel that you're 1 notch up, 2 notch up. I think that's very important. And make sure you present yourself, because that really builds, and it's all about self-confidence that you need to build in. So take these small opportunities that come your way, or maybe tell your manager to give you opportunities, so that you have these Friday evening catch up or a Monday morning catch up and you participate. It's the best way, because even if you do mistake, these are your own colleagues, so it's all okay. And these mistakes or whatever it is, it will be once, twice, thrice, not beyond that. You'll be very confident.
In fact, Santosh, the word that I want to extract from what you said in terms of what you explained, the one word, viewers, is practice.
Yeah.
The best example, there are two, and both are my role models in sports. One is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin. You know what? He used to, Santosh, practice with such dedication. Even Vinod Kamli, who used to play with him, he used to say that the reason he didn't succeed so much, but Sachin did, is because of his dedication and practice. Practice makes man or woman perfect is later. Practice makes man or woman confident. So like Santosh said, the more you practice, even you do small things, like, you have a major presentation, don't suddenly jump to the major one. Do, the typical departmental meetings where you get a chance to speak. Wherever you get opportunities, I think, Santosh, you hit the nail on its head when you said, grab the opportunities. And one more thing I want to just add is, even despite practicing, if you fail, it's okay. We are not God, or even gods have made a few errors, The point is that if you make an error, it's about how you deal with it. If a failure will demoralize you, then that's not right. It will demoralize you a little bit, come out of it. And like Santosh said, keep grabbing opportunities. Don't let opportunities go away, man, because that's the worst. But it'll be like, it's like, it's rather you try and fail than you get so nervous that you don't even try. Okay. A ship at the shore will always be safe. And if a ship decides to be at the shore and not go into the ocean, then it is challenging its own nature. Your own nature, viewers, is to not sit there because of nervousness. You have to take the jump and try it out.
Agreed.
Because you're not that ship who's going to be there and just get, nahi yaar, tum log jao, main hu yahan pe safe. In such situations, safe ka kuch aage hone wala nahi hai.
Agreed.
So don't be nervous is a practical point.
Yeah. In the end, I would actually say that, here you also, especially if you're, again, not got exposure to these kind of presentations or, kind of meetings where you have really taken a lead to talk about something or present something, You should also, connect with your colleagues, right? They are your friends, though they know you, they've been there, right? And if you will have some, because I'll give you my own example. I used to be quite an introvert, and it's only in the college. I had a friend of mine who used to want me to answer questions, what our professor would answer. I would know the answer, but I would not raise my hand. Very typical college days or school days, right? But this friend of mine actually helped me, and I would really thank him for what he did to me then in those 11th and 12th standards. If my hand was like this, he would just push me and my hand would be raised.
That's so sweet. What's his
Automatically,
name?
this guy, the one who was
Yeah,
helping
we're
me,
going to
Vinay.
shout out.
Yeah, so Vinay
Full name,
really
full name,
helped
full
me.
name, full name,
Vinay
full
Agrawal,
name.
right? This guy
Vinay
helped
Agarwal.
me.
Yeah,
He
of
helped
course.
me. He would just push my hand, and the professor would look at and look at me. And I see the bottom line is my answer was to the point. It was right. Just that I had, should I tell or no? Should I say or no? Am I? And the other thing I think, which is very important, Mayur, I think is a lot of times we feel that, oh, what will others think of, say, if I'm wrong? So I think that negativity has to get
Yes,
out of your
yes,
mind. You must
yes.
have a self-positive
Can
thought.
I
Yeah,
can I just add one more thing,
yeah,
view? And this is very critical because I'm experiencing it, and I do experience it. Is remember, viewers, be okay with criticism. I repeat, I re-emphasize, be okay with being criticized. Because when you receive a criticism, suppose you said, like Santosh said, you're in a meeting, you say something, maybe later on somebody says, क्या बोला तू? कुछ भी बोलता है क्या मीटिंग में? क्या show off कर रहा है क्या? He's criticizing you for the fact that you just said something. That is his viewpoint. What I always say to myself is, if somebody criticizes me, welcome it to the point where you evaluate it. Be smart enough. Sometimes a criticism is good for you. भले वो criticism किसी प्रकार से आ जाए. Somebody will shout at you and criticize you. Somebody will taunt you. Somebody will be very polite. Take it, evaluate it, assess it. Whatever is good for you, take it, improve yourself. It will help you. If that you don't do, and if you let it affect you overall and say, yaar, हाँ यार, I think next time I'll just be quiet, मैं चुप ही बैठता हूँ. And then you can't have you can't expect every time to have a Vinay Agarwal to push a hand up.
true.
समझा कि अरे ठीक है यार तू कर, no worries. You can't. You have today, we have to be eagles, where you have to be a lone flyer high. There will be some eagles there, but you got to be independent. It's not college anymore. Everybody's competing with the other.
Exactly.
They're going to be
Yeah.
good friends to you. They're going to be good friends to you. But when it comes to the point where some selection is going to be there, they may not trample on you, but they will always be competing with others, in a healthy way. So my point, Santosh, is कभी ना बहुत टाइम पे ना हम लोग जैसे आपने कहा कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, मैं मीटिंग में बोलूं तो कोई मेरा मजाक उड़ाएगा, क्या यार and all. You made a good point, but they're jealous. होता है, human emotion है. सबके सामने people are saying good point, boss बोलता है अच्छा point है, colleague को जलन हो रही है because वो तो tension में होता है. See, one more thing is, if I'm nervous, I want others also to go through the same. ये भी होता है.
Yeah.
It's a very
Yeah.
negative herd mentality. I want everybody to be, तू क्या जा रहा है, बैठ अपने साथ.
True.
अरे मेरे को, I want to say something. बैठ यार, क्या show off कर रहा है? Because this guy is nervous. He wants you to also, be with you. Break out. My humble request is, remember, if you break through nervousness, deal with it with intelligence and wisdom. Enjoy criticism in terms of helping it to develop you. Your growth will be faster. You will grow in any case with the blessings, but it will be faster.
Absolutely.
And also,
lastly,
one thing, Santosh, I conclude.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Santosh, I just have to say this and then I leave it to you. See, I brought something, which is why I wanted to share. This is what I got from Kailash Mansarovar. What I do is, and I'm showing this to you because this is a great example of vibrations. And I'm going to play this, and I want viewers just for you to listen to it. Santosh, can you listen? I mean, is it audible? Okay.
Yes.
So I'm not going to say anything. Just let me do this. And now just see what I do and then see the vibration that comes out.
Yeah, a little low on voice now, but anyway, we could hear it.
Okay, let me try it once again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Santosh, the reason I'm putting this in front of the viewers, I want you to understand that every day just like we have sometimes, you know, as kids, tonic for all our nutrition and our strength. As kids, remember, mummy bolti thi, doodh piyo, kuch tonic le lo, you know, boost piyo. Similarly, for our mind, we need a booster. Now, we don't have to only depend on the boost and the Horlicks, which are great. What you do is every morning after your shower, please invest 5 minutes, because it will strengthen your mind, which also is important to deal with nervousness. Okay, because if you have a strong mind, people saying anything, koi bolega kya hai, you will be strong, you'll be more balanced. Just two things, remember. One is do this. Or as in OR, or it vibrates your entire system. It strengthens your nerves, because nervousness mein nerves hai na, nerves usko strengthen karta hai. Also, do deep breathing. It oxygenates, it enhances your oxygen levels. It oxygenates your brain as well. You feel fresh, you feel energetic. Try karke dekho. You know, all you have to do is through your nose, inhale, then hold for at least 8 seconds. And then release through your nose. Humble request. Breathing तो हम लोग करते ही हैं, सिर्फ थोड़ा extend करो. Inhale को count मत करो. Exhale में count मत करो. But when you hold for 8 seconds. It will allow the oxygen to circulate. Believe you me, apart from, you know, the intellectual way by which you'll be motivated and strong, and this session and the inputs that have come from experiences, also do these vibrations and the deep breathing. From my side, these are a few things, viewers, I wanted to share with you, and I wish you all the best. Over to you, Santosh.
Yes, just lastly, I would just say that, you know, especially in organizations now, you have these kind of town halls and meetings where you do get, you know, one of the hosts saying any questions. And that's the best time to grab that opportunity and do ask a sensible question, of course, but that will give you that confidence because you are amongst about 100 plus, you know, or maybe on a conference call where there are so many others, and that gives you that boost. As I could ask a question now, I will be more confident next time. So that's very, very important. So on that note, from me, Santosh Thirur and Mayur, well, wish you all a very good luck in your career. And of course, don't be nervous.
Absolutely. And do write to us. Do write to us at the
of
email.
Course,
Santosh,
our email ID is talkrighttoday@gmail.com. And of course, our YouTube channel, do subscribe, which is Talk Right Today. Bye-bye.
Bye.